Hey, it's Christian with Collision Hub, and I've got another cool tool for you, and this time it's edge guards from Vietek. Now, these things are super useful for so many different things that you do throughout the course of collision repair. From protecting panels, as maybe you're working on an adjacent panel. If you're sanding or buffing, you'll be able to protect the panel next to it and keep from those stray mistakes that sometimes go into those panels. You can hold down welding blankets and conform them where you want them to make sure that you're getting the maximum protection during the repair process. When you're reinstalling panels or new panels such as hoods, deck lids, lift gates, doors, you can protect the panel next to it. So I can lay these on opposite sides of the fenders as I'm putting the hood on and make sure that I don't drop a corner. I mean, how many times have we done that and had to go back and do touch up? The first time it saves that alone, definitely makes them pay for themselves. They come in handy in the refinishing process as well. If I'm doing some priming out in the body shop and drop a car cover on, I can hold that in place through the primer process, or even in the paint shop as well. Once I get the vehicle into the booth, without having to have the plastic puff up or flap around, I can slap these on the panels and it'll hold the plastic down in place. There's really so many different things we keep discovering every week and new ways to use these. That's definitely made them a cool tool. Now, they are available as a Vietek product through National Coatings and Supplies, or NCS, or single source distributors. So if you want more information on getting these, you can definitely reach out to them. We like them so much, we're definitely not only not sending this set back, but we're going to be getting some more to have around for our use. So definitely check out the website, go visit the Vietek website, learn more. They come in a pack of 4 for under $70. They definitely pay for themselves the first time they save you from that panel mistake that we all hate when we make it. So check them out. It's our new cool tool.